package is for a mop. You know these lazy mops? It has a container that you could put the water in and spray it. 360 rotation. Let's have a look at what came. Okay, there it is. Water spray mop. Let's open it up. Okay, so these are the reusable cloths. Microfiber reusable cloths. 2 of them. Okay, there's another one. There's actually 3 of them. This one actually is on the mop head. This is it here. And this is the handle. This one is an extended handle. So this is the other part of the handle. And this is the water reservoir. You could put the water in. Attach the handle in here. And then so the mop head goes in here. And these are the cloths to change. It's 360, so it should swivel all around. I'll do an upcoming video so that you could see how it works. This is the water reservoir. You could add a little soap or a little disinfectant with the water so that you could get a nice clean smelling area that you're going to mop. Calabash Green SLU. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for viewing.